Good morning, everyone. Andrew Tehako here with TNT Group. I'm posting this webcast for NakedTrader.com. The date is January 21st, 2011, and it is right around 4:15 in the morning. Doing this webcast a little earlier. I usually do it in about an hour or so. I'm just doing it a little early here. My day is kind of done. Made some coin early, so kind of calling it quits. It's Friday. Just kind of stopping here. Give you a rundown though of what happened overnight. Just right around after 2 o'clock in the morning Central Time over here in Chicago, we saw a pretty big euro rip. I don't know if it was a short squeeze or if it was stop hunting. Either way, we saw about a 60-70 tick move up. I got long euro stocks off of it, nearly maxed out on them. They didn't really move too much. They give you about a tick, 2 ticks here and there. I would sell back off, tick here, 2 ticks there. But I held on to them. Oil didn't really move either off that euro move higher. So I was triggered just to try and scratch them if that oil ended up coming back off. I would have been very quick to get out of it just because of that euro. I don't know if it was just a short squeeze or if it's stop hunting. Things like that. So I was very quick to look to get a scratch out of it, but eventually oil did rally about 15 ticks, and that's when they decided to rally euro stocks as well. So I made all my money overnight just pretty much on one move in those euro stocks, just off that euro. It just seemed like those euro stocks needed kind of a confirmation from that oil, and that's what I was looking for. It's kind of a big lesson that I learned here overnight, just tonight. You need to know when, I guess you could say, kind of a healthy move in the euro. Like last night, it didn't seem like it was a healthy move. It just seemed like someone was looking for stops, they triggered them, or if it was just a short squeeze. You could tell the other markets, everything else, didn't really get affected by it until that oil moved. And once that oil moved, then kind of things started playing out how they should. They ended up buying euro stocks then, and that's where I made my money. So big lesson learned is just keep an eye on what kind of move is it. Does it look like a healthy move? Are there actual buyers, or is it just kind of a short squeeze and or stop hunting? So that's kind of the big thing last night. Also, we had IFO come out, German IFO number come out. Came out kind of mixed in my opinion. We did see a couple of the numbers higher. Overall, though, I think it was a mixed bag. And pretty much I think the market was kind of expecting a little more too, and I don't know if that 2 o'clock rally in the euro was anything based off of people what they thought this IFO should do. But you could have sold the euro. I did. I only took a few ticks out of it, but it eventually came off about 30 ticks right after the number. So I think the euro market was also kind of expecting a little better number than we actually saw, especially with that rally, about 50 minutes before the actual IFO number. Other news came out. There's just a rumor right now, but there's talk of a possible PBOC rate hike. China possibly as soon as today. So keep an eye on that. Watch out for the wires. Always big news when they come out and raise stuff. So it's just a rumor right now, and they're just talk about it, but keep an eye on that. Possibly talking as soon as today for the rate hike. Like I said before, I'm done for the day. Had a pretty good week. Made some money today. It's Friday. I'm sick. I need to. That's why I wasn't in yesterday. Why I didn't do a webcast. Why I was on Twitter. I was sick. Took the day off. Try to get healthy. But I'm also going to the Bears-Packer game on Sunday. Thanks to my girlfriend's parents. They have 4 tickets, and my girlfriend's mom and dad are both going, and then we're also going with them. So I want to say thank you for that. Big game. Leave you guys with a little song that I like to think about the Bears with. Here it is. Enjoy. Big weekend, Sunday, Bears-Packers. Probably won't be in on Sunday night. Be at the game. Be a little toasted up probably. Listen to this song. This is to all my Bears fans out there, all of my friends, things like that. John Miller, one of my co-workers, huge Bears fan, obviously live in Chicago, but take a listen.
The Bears still suck. The Bears still suck. The Bears still suck. The Bears still suck. They really suck. Yes, the Bears still suck.
Go Pack!